Hello, Alice, and welcome to the Bunny Hutch. My name is Shira, and you are here because you spiraled real hard through the rabbit hole of YouTube and found yourself with me, where I make some terrible choices, mainly about my hair, although life, oh life, life, oh life, oh life. So today, because I'm making terrible choices but informed terrible choices, I have decided that I'm bleaching my hair, but not until I protect it. My hair right now is 4B, 4C, kinky curly. It is dry. It is medium length, medium density, and right now it is real dirty. So I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna give it a protein treatment. But because I'm gonna be bleaching it, I thought if we're gonna treat it real good. Therefore, I've decided that I'm gonna go with the Aphogee. They're two-step protein treatments. Step number 1 and step number 2. My hope being that when I put this stuff in my hair, it won't fall out when I bleach it 3 times, because yes, I'm gonna bleach it 3 times. Why? Because this is not just brown hair. No. This is all the colors. Why? Why are you making noises? So because I know that I'm gonna be doing this and I need to make my hair really, really strong, I need to follow the instructions, which includes me washing my hair. So let's wash. The wash day begins. Step number 1, detangle the hair. I like to use Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intense Conditioning Treatment as my detangler because my hair is a horrible, look, it is just a jerk. And in order for it to be less of a jerk, you kind of need to like grease the wheels, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get it all separated into sections, detangle, and then hope for the best. Detangle complete, which means that now I'm gonna let this sucker sit for probably about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, come back, wash my hair, do the rinse, and then it's time for my protein treatment. I got a little bit distracted because I was watching Netflix, as you do, and then I realized that 2 hours had passed. Whoops! But detangled, deep conditioned, shower time. Then I'll be back to start the process.
Aphogee.
Hair washed. You know, somebody said to me, Shira, you look very scandalous. Do you just hang out naked? And I was like, no, I'm not naked. I'm wearing my top that makes me look like I'm naked, but I'm not. I promise. I'm wearing clothes. Anyway, so I'm now going to start with number 1 of the Aphogee protein treatment. I'm going to start with the number 1 of the Aphogee protein treatment, and I'm going to actually put it into a spray bottle because I watched a very clever person do this. It makes application so much easier. I'm going to be applying it to my damp hair, so I'm going to sop up some of this moisture because right now it's dripping wet. Once I apply it to my damp hair, I'm supposed to let it sit for 40 minutes, just let it dry until it's crusty, which I'm fairly used to, so that should be pretty easy. And then I'll come back and do step number 2. Alright, so I will blot my soaking wet hair and spritz. And then I'm going to drag it through from root to dry, crusty tip, and then moving on to the rest of my head.
Luke, join the dark side.
And so it is complete. I'm gonna go and sit outside. It is currently 38 degrees Celsius. That's like what, 99 degrees Fahrenheit? So I'll be outside chilling. And by chilling, I mean quietly dying for the next 40 minutes until this sucker
is crusty.
Aphogee. I can't even begin to express to you how crazy my hair feels. I let it sit, I let it dry, and it is now just an angry, solid mass of crusty hair. It's amazing and gross. So I'm gonna hop into the shower, I'm gonna wash this away, then I'm gonna come back to you and I'm gonna put in step 2 of the treatment, which hopefully will not result in my head being concrete. Aphogee. Shower complete. I no longer have that sexy sort of concretey, asphalty, 3-day-old bread feel for my hair. I put in treatment number 2 and then I conditioned my hair and it's feeling pretty good. Whether or not that will continue and it will feel fabulous when I bleach the whoop whoop out of it is a different story, but for now, not bad at all. Thank you, Aphogee, for your help.